Welcome to RAS Data Service. In this video, we are going to tell you how to use form filling autotyper for medical insurance data entry work. Download free autotyper in the video description. Now we are going to know how to convert images into Excel. All the medical insurance data will give to you in the format of JPG images. Every image contains the data, record-wise or form-wise. Autotyper software is not able to autotype the medical insurance data from the JPG image. We will extract the medical insurance image data into MS Excel. We will arrange MS Excel data or text as row-wise and column-wise. Now we are going to know how to use autotyper software. Open RAS Data Autotyper software. Press the Browse Excel file button to upload MS Excel file into RAS Data Autotyper, and upload MS Excel into Autotyper. In the middle of the RAS Data Autotyper, MS Excel record numbers or form numbers will appear. Now open your company given medical insurance software. Press the Source button to upload JPG image. Now select one record number which you want to autotype. Now select the Speed button to adjust autotyping speed. 100 is the measurement of autotyping speed of 100 characters per second. And 50 and 70 also autotyping speed of 50 and 70 characters per second. After adjusting the typing speed, press the Start Autotyping button in Autotyper, and place the cursor Medical Insurance Software Image Name column. Now don't touch your computer mouse and keyboard. Autotyper automatically types all the MS Excel data into medical insurance software columns. This is the autotyping process. Uses of autotyper. Not able to trace RAS Data Autotyper. 100% accurate typing in autotyping. You can use autotyper with a single click. How to do QC quality checking. After autotyping completes, check the conversion errors or mistakes. Check every column data for space mistakes, spelling mistakes, and punctuation mistakes. And do the corrections. After checking errors or mistakes, save the typed record or form. Is this autotyper is safe to use? Yes, it is safe to use. Because we made this software with experts in software developers. No need to hesitate to use RAS Data Autotyper. Manual typing for medical insurance form filling is not possible to complete the data. RAS Data Service provides autotyper software for autotyper for medical insurance data entry work. Thanks for watching medical insurance form filling autotyper video. For more details, contact us.